Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp without using any external app. The first thing you do is open up your WhatsApp. Now you can see I have 2 deleted messages from this person. Now I want to see this message. What I do is that I go back, go to settings. So once you get to settings, tap on settings, scroll down to notifications, tap on notifications, and then you tap on advanced settings, then you tap on notification history. And as you can see, recently dismissed WhatsApp. Can you see those messages that were deleted around 3:15? Here it was deleted 3:15, it was deleted at 1:19. But when I go to the notification over here, notification history, I can easily see them 3:15, as you can see, and the one for the last 24 hours I can see them. This is the message at 3:15. So that is how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp without using any external app.